Cold case: Charlotte teen found dead in backyard. An 18-year-old Charlotte high school student was murdered, found with very little clothing in the dead of winter. Now more than 2 detectives believe Shania Hammonds was suffocated, but they can't figure out who would have done this or why. They're hoping you might be able to help. Hammonds was just 18 years old, a senior at Mallard Creek High School. She had been texting with her best friend about, of all things, puppies. But in the morning, the teen stopped responding to texts and her friends got worried. It was February, freezing cold, and Hammonds was lying in the yard with just shorts and a t-shirt, no shoes on her feet. The teen had been staying with a friend's grandmother at a house on Willowgate Lane, and police believe someone came over unexpectedly sometime during the night. The medical examiner ruled there was no obvious cause of death, but detectives believe she was suffocated. Beyond that, there are few clues. Only a plea from it. Police are frustrated, too. If you have any information that could lead to an arrest in the Shania Hammonds case, you could get a reward. Call Crime Stop.
Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Look in the